In this video, I'll show you how to use time logs effectively in team performance reviews. By the end, you'll understand why time tracking is a game changer in evaluating your team's productivity and growth, and how to leverage it to boost performance. Time logs provide a detailed record of how team members spend their work hours. This is crucial because it helps you gain insights into individual productivity, uncover bottlenecks, and identify areas for improvement. You can see exactly where time is being spent, whether it's on core tasks or distractions. This transparency is vital for accurate performance reviews. To start, gather your team's time logs over a period of time, let's say a month. Make sure to use a reliable tool for this, as accuracy is key. We'll be using a tool in this video that tracks time automatically, so there's no need for manual entries. These logs can show how much time your team spends on specific projects or tasks. Once you have the logs, break them down by task category. This will allow you to see which projects are taking more time than expected and if certain tasks are being delayed. For example, if one team member is spending an excessive amount of time on meetings, it might be a sign that their task management needs adjustment. If another is consistently running out of time, maybe they need better support or training in certain areas. When analyzing the logs, consider comparing individual performance against set goals or benchmarks. This is where the real power of time logs comes in. You can see if someone is consistently meeting deadlines or if they are lagging behind. If they're underperforming, the logs will help you pinpoint where they're struggling. For high-performing team members, you can use time logs to understand their habits and what's contributing to their efficiency. This allows you to replicate these practices across the team and encourage best practices. For those needing improvement, time logs provide the data to have targeted conversations about workload management and time allocation. One thing to keep in mind, don't solely rely on the numbers. Time logs are a valuable tool, but they don't tell the full story. Make sure to use them in conjunction with other performance metrics, such as the quality of work and teamwork. I've tested all the popular time tracking software options and found the one we'll be using today to be the most effective for team performance reviews. If you'd like to follow along, I've got a special offer for you, an exclusive free trial of this software, only available to viewers of my channel. Check the link in the description to get started. Key takeaway. Time logs are an essential tool for conducting thorough and data-driven team performance reviews. They help you track individual productivity, identify areas for improvement, and encourage effective work habits across the team. Remember, don't just focus on the numbers. Use time logs alongside other performance metrics to get a well-rounded view. Before we wrap up, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. It's a great way to start using time logs in your own team performance reviews today.